Is your Night Owl DVR showing the wrong date and time every time it restarts? Don't worry, this is a very common problem, and in most cases, the fix is simple. First, power off your DVR completely and disconnect it from the power source. Next, remove the DVR cover and locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. Keep in mind, the CMOS battery location is different on every DVR model. Check carefully around the motherboard, especially near the processor or memory chips. This is a small round battery, similar to the ones used in computer motherboards. If the battery is old, weak, or completely dead, the DVR will not be able to save the correct date and time settings, causing them to reset again and again. Carefully remove the old CMOS battery and replace it with a new one of the same type. After replacing the battery, close the DVR cover and power the unit back on. Now go to the Date and Time Settings menu and set the correct date and time once. In most cases, this will permanently solve the problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.